The overall fortune for those born in the year of the dog is average. For the dog, the fortune in the year of the snake is relatively stable in the first 2 months after the Lunar New Year, January and February, and around November and December. You must pay attention to traffic safety. You should prepare ahead of time. For example, avoid drinking alcohol and do not drive when drowsy. Around September, there might be some decisions waiting for you to make. You must be steady and avoid being reckless or greedy. All other aspects are quite good. In terms of health, your luck is still good, with a healthy physical state. In terms of career, the fortune is relatively good and favorable for career development. It's easy to gain recognition and promotion from superiors. The relationship with colleagues is also harmonious. Team cooperation is also very good. Look at you, doing so well. In terms of wealth, it's relatively stable. Your regular income is showing growth. Maybe your boss has noticed you. They think you're doing a great job. You might get a raise or bonuses. Your wealth naturally increases. However, your side wealth is lacking. So, be cautious with investments. Invest wisely. In terms of relationships, I see the dog with its head full of peach blossoms. The little dog is lovable to everyone. Your moment has come. The chances of finding love are extremely high. For those who have partners, communicate and be more understanding. Spend more time together.